Episode 11, Return to Goa. Hello everyone. In our previous episode, we explored St Francis Xavier's missionary activities in various regions. Today, we dwell into a significant chapter of Xavier's life, his return to Goa, focusing on his efforts to support the Christian community, his involvement with the Inquisition, and his endeavors to address social issues. Xavier's return to Goa. After extensive missionary journeys, Xavier returned to Goa, a significant Portuguese colony in India. His return marked a pivotal moment where he became deeply involved in various aspects of Christian community and societal matters. Upon his return, Xavier dedicated himself to support and strengthening the Christian community in Goa. He provided spiritual guidance, educational support, and pastoral care, aiming to foster the growth and well-being of Christian population. Involvement with the Inquisition. Xavier's involvement with the Inquisition, a judicial institution established to combat heresy, was a controversial aspect in his return to Goa. While historical records show that he advocated to fair treatment, the Inquisition was a contentious institution. Efforts to address social issues. Xavier was deeply concerned about social issues affecting the local population. He sought to address societal problems such as poverty, healthcare, and education, working towards the betterment of the less fortunate and underprivileged in the region. Educational initiatives. Xavier emphasized the importance of education and set up initiatives to provide schooling to underprivileged and marginalized communities. His efforts were focused on literacy and education to uplift the less privileged sections of the society. Advocacy for social justice. Xavier was more advocate for social justice, speaking out against injustice and striving to create a more equitable society. His efforts were directed towards addressing the systematic issues that plague the local community. Legacy of Xavier's work in Goa. Xavier's return to Goa left a significant impact on the Christian community and societal structures. His initiatives in education, social justice, and support for the Christian population continue to shape the region's social fabric for years to come. Continual impact. Xavier's endeavor in Goa had a lasting impact. The educational and social initiatives he established contributed to long-term development and well-being of the community, leaving a legacy that persisted beyond his lifetime. St Francis Xavier's return to Goa was marked by his deep involvement in supporting the Christian community, addressing social issues, and advocating for social justice. His efforts contributed significantly to the betterment of the local community and left a lasting impact on Goa's societal structures. Thank you for joining me for this episode. In Xavier's historical context, his multifaceted endeavors in Goa further amplifies his dedication to the welfare and progress of communities he served.